Okay, so punta tayo dito sa two pig test or pig method of adjustment of dummy or Y level. Okay, so yung two pig test, that is a method for checking or recalibrating yung level of or recalibrating a level or transit. So the two pig test is very simple but provides a way to test the accuracy of a level, and if you know which screw to turn for analog instrument or menu to follow for a digital level, so you can adjust it to remove the error. Okay, so all instruments are subject to errors, so the checking of the instrument or level is therefore important. Okay, so the main error is where the line of sight is not parallel to the horizontal line. So yun, no? Bali, kinocompute kasi natin dito sa two pig test yung error tsaka yung elevation, yung difference ng elevation ng 2 points, tsaka yung tamang rod reading, no? Kung i-correct na natin siya, bali lagyan na natin siya ng error. Okay, so yun, the main error is where the line of sight is not parallel to the horizontal line of culmination. In this case, your levels will not be correct. So a test for checking the level is known as the two pig test. So this test determines the amount of error, and if an error occurs, notify the technician or the level must be serviced. So example nung two pig test is ito. So example, meron tayo ditong damping level. So the following observation were taken. So meron tayong rod reading at A. So yung instrument set up at A. Ayan, yung rod reading niya at A is 1.203. When instrument is set at point B, yung rod reading niya at A is 0.324. And when instrument is set at point A, yung rod reading niya at point B is 2.523. And when the instrument is set at point B, yung rod reading niya at point B is 1.445. So ngayon, ano daw yung difference ng elevation between A and B? So what is the error in the line of sight from A to B? And with instrument at A, what should be the rod reading at B to make the line of sight level or yung correct na rod reading? Okay? So para ma-solve natin to, so i-draw muna natin yung first scenario na to. Okay? So sinet natin yung first scenario na to. So bali ito muna yung una nating i-plot, no? Okay, so when instrument at A, so bali ito, nandito yung instrument at A. So yung rod reading niya at point A itself is 1.203. So ito yan, we have 1.203. And then yung rod reading niya at point B is itong 2.523. So take note, ito yung actual line of sight niya. So bali may error na nangyayari, no? Bali hindi nag-collinear yung horizontal line tsaka yung actual line of sight. So may error. Okay. So bali in-assume lang natin dito. Assumption lang to na depression siya kasi may error din na inclination yung error, no? So anyway, after nyan, mache-check mo man din, no? Kung mag-negative yung sign, ibig sabihin, for example, yung error mo is negative yung sign. So baliktad yung assumption mo. Okay? Then in-assume din natin na mas elevated dito sa point A. Okay? So ganun. Kasi mas maliit yung ano niya. Mapapansin mo, mas maliit yung rod reading dito at point A kaysa dito sa point B. So ibig sabihin mas safe na i-assume ko na mas elevated yung height niya dito sa point A. Okay? Then kung elevated yung height dyan, so mas safe pong i-assume mo na yung error dito is depression. Pero anyway, ma-check mo din yan. Yung sinasabi ko, pag negative siya, ibig sabihin mali yung assumption. Okay? So makikita natin dito sa figure na to yung line to line pieces, di ba? Kung ito is parallel, yung horizontal line of sight at saka yung ground na to, horizontal, the same yan. So ibig sabihin, yung dimension, yung length dito na part, yung h plus 1.203 is equivalent dito, di ba? Common sense, no? Magkapareho yan, no? Kasi itong line na to at saka itong line na to parallel. So this is equal to E plus 2.523. So thus you have H minus E, and that is just 2.523 minus 1.203. So yung H minus E mo is, ilan yung 2.523 minus 1.203? That is 1.32. So this is now my equation 1. Next, set up natin to. So ngayon ito naman. So bali ito yung figure niya, no? So andito naman yung instrument at B. So yung rod reading niya at A is makikita mo, that is 0.324. So ito yan, no? And then yung rod reading niya at B, ito yung 1.445. So at its location itself is 1.445. So assume pa rin natin kung ano yung inassume mo ditong yung error, kung ano yung assumption mo, kung depression or inclination, ganun din dapat sa lahat. So kung ano yung assumption mo dito sa height, so ganun din dapat sa lahat. Bawal baguhin. Okay, so same process. Makikita mo na may error. Hindi nag-meet yung actual line of sight tsaka yung horizontal line of sight. So assume natin na may error. So bale, yung line to line basis pa rin. Yung line na to tsaka yung line na to parallel. So ibig sabihin yung E plus 0.324 plus yung H is equivalent to 1.445. So thus you have H plus E, that is just 1.445 minus 0.324. So yung H plus E mo is just equal to 1.445 minus 0.324, that is equal to 1.121. So this will be my equation 2. Okay, so meron na tayong equation 1 na yung H minus E equals 1.32. And meron na tayong equation 2 na yung H plus E equals 1.121. So add lang natin yung dalawa. So we have 2H. So lang yung 1.32 plus 1.121. That is 2.441. So thus yung H is just 2.441 all over 2. So thus we have 2.441 divided by 2. We have 1.2205 meters. So pili ka lang. So let's say from equation 1, substitute natin yung value. So we have HE 1.32. We have 1.2205 minus E 1.32. So we have 1.2205 minus 1.32. We have E, and E is equal to 1.2205 minus 1.32. We have negative 0.0995. So ibig sabihin, mali yung assumption na kung ito yung yung E is depression. So mali yan. So ibig sabihin, i-correct na lang natin. E is 0.0995 inclination. Okay? So inclination. Ito is depression. So maling assumption yan na kasi nag-negative siya. Yung, di ba? Ito yung inassume natin na depression yung E. So yung tamang assumption pala is yung tamang error is inclined siya, no? So I think ito na, no? So ito na yung sagot. And then ito na yung sagot. And then yung huling problem is tanong niya, so with instrument at A, what should be the rod reading at B to make the line of sight level? Okay? So kunin ko na lang to. Copy ko lang yan. And then dito ko na ilagay. So, mali pala ito. So, mali yung assumption na yan. So, yung tamang figure pala is hindi dyan yung actual line of sight. Yung actual line of sight is nandito. So, let's say ito. Okay? So, ito yung actual line of sight. So, ito yung E natin. Then, ito yung horizontal. So, ito yung transit na nasa sight. So, ngayon, yung 2.523, yung rod reading na yan is nakabase lagi yan sa line of sight. So, ito yan. So, we have 2.523. So, yung tamang rod reading to make a line of sight horizontal is just 2.523 minus E. Okay? And E is, ito yan, no? Incline na 0.0.00995. So, 2.523 minus 0.0995. And that is equal to 2.4235 meters. And ito na yung sapat. Okay, so I think that's it. So, see you in the next video. Thank you.